What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Tim Reviews Everything. So before I get started with my review today, I just want to let you guys know, if you're new to the channel, I only review products maybe once every couple months. I do carry two subjects on this channel. I am a warehouse worker by trade, and I train people online. So that is why you see all the warehouse videos that pop up. Now, when it comes to the reviews, I do not get paid for my reviews, just what I make off of my YouTube revenue, which is not much. We're talking cents. So that's why the reviews do not come out that often. I review products that we purchase for our household and I think that are worthy for a review. So with that being said, if you guys want to watch my Blackstone griddle review that I did, it will be in the description below. You guys can click that link and watch that video as well. So if you guys want to subscribe and keep an eye out for my videos, I have a full playlist full of reviews if you guys want to watch those reviews. But if you could help support my channel by subscribing and give me a thumbs up, it's also much appreciated. So let's take a close look at the Mainstays 30-inch Tiletop fire pit for your back porch. Let's take a look at it and see how you guys like it. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you the fire pit that I got from Walmart. You know, I'm going to double check the price and I'll tell you a little bit later on in the video. I believe it was like $169 around there. The tank, I bought a new tank because I have one for the grill, but we still cook out in the wintertime, so I don't want to keep swapping tanks back and forth. The new tank cost me $55 at Walmart. You know, other places had them for $70, so definitely shop around when you're looking for a tank if you do not have one. And I also want to say, use a screwdriver that is magnetized. I did not, and the screws are very small, and I kept dropping them. I probably dropped the screws to put these things together about 45 times. Definitely two people. The person that I had helping me was not a steady hand, so you definitely want to have somebody that has a steady hand helping you. I'm going to try to show you the screws are on the inside, but there's literally 4 screws for every panel. So 4 screws for every panel. And this bottom one has 4 screws. I mean, guys, there's not a lot of parts to this. You just need a screwdriver to put it together, Phillips head, and that is it. The one leg, actually, a couple of screws are not in all the way because the holes were drilled crooked. So I got them in there the best I could. So you might come across something like that. I did purchase a warranty for $20. It's an extended 3-year warranty. I usually do not purchase warranties on cheaper items like this. I consider this a cheaper item. But usually the warranties are like $40, $50. So I figured, what the heck, for 20 bucks, I'm going to get the extended warranty. It comes with a nice, so there's the tag for it. So this is a 30-inch square. This is the upper part here. This is the nice cover for it. It also comes with a cover to go over it. So there goes your glass rock that you get on there. You can see the ring gets burned. I mean, we've been using it. We've been enjoying this. I'm going to light it here. I'll leave this off because I'm going to light it up. So let's come over here. We're going to come to, so this here, you just unscrew this. They give you a battery to for the push start igniter, and the battery's right there. So that's all you got to do is just unscrew that. You don't want to screw this in too tight, just enough. And then what I do to light this, because I was having trouble lighting this at first. So what I do is I push this in, turn it to low, and I continue to hold it in. And then I light it. Oh, it would help if I turn the tank on. So let's turn the tank on. I do have the tank turned off, so we're going to turn the valve on. Okay, so let's do that again. So I push this in, turn it to low, I hear the gas going, and I'm going to light this. Sometimes it takes a second to light. So as you can see, I light it, and then I turn it, let go, and then I turn it on high. So that is on high, and we leave it on high. So see where our chair's at right there? You got about, what, maybe 3 feet? You want to be pretty close to this to feel the heat. Actually, I can feel it from right here. I'm about 3 feet away. I definitely can feel it. So the gas smell, when you first light this, you will get some type of gas smell with it. But honestly, I don't smell it after a couple minutes of it being on. And you can see it lights pretty well evenly all the way around. There's a spot right there. It's, for some reason, it's a little bit less, but it's all right. You know, guys, I'm not trying to be too picky with this thing, but there you go. I mean, it's pretty much it, guys. It was, assembly took about, for me, it took an hour because, like I said, I did not have a steady hand helping me. But you definitely want to have somebody with a steady hand helping you. So now I'm just going to shut it off. So to shut it off, I'm just going to turn it off and push it in right here. And then that's it, guys. Very nice. So that's that. We didn't even use the cover yet because we've been using it so much. But here is the cover that comes with it. That way you can cover it into, you know, if it's raining or snowing. But we have not used it yet because we're constantly using the outdoor thing. It's fall weather right now and we love it. So yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. And I'm going to give you some details on the measurements and how much it costs. All right, so now that you guys got a little overview of the product itself, let's take a look at some of the details. Now online it says $199. I paid $167 for this inside the store, so I really highly recommend driving to a local Walmart and actually seeing if they have it inside the store for a cheaper price. Now when it comes to all the description of it, the details, you know, guys, it says electric ignition system for easy starting. Sometimes this thing takes a good 20-30 seconds to start. You just got to keep clicking it and having that gas turned on. So easy starting, yeah, if it starts right away, it's easy starting. Heats up to 50,000 BTUs. Like I said in the video that I just showed you, I'd say around approximate 3 feet away, you want those chairs so you can actually feel the heat when it's on high. Crafted sturdy metal with stylish backlight. It's definitely stylish. It's definitely a nice looking fire pit for the price. Sturdy metal, yeah, it's pretty sturdy. It's not too bad. The Tiletop, I like it. It looks good. I like the lid too. The lid fit perfect. Comes with the protective lid, includes a cover, which I showed you in the video and previously, and we have not used it yet because we keep using it. Includes the cabinets. Yeah, so you saw the door open up where you could put the tank underneath of it. And these are the measurements for it. Like I said, it's heavy, 82.5 pounds. So if you guys are going to the store to pick this up, I highly recommend taking a second person with you. You could have a Walmart person help you inside, but when you go out to your car, you definitely want help putting this into the car. 82.5 pounds, and plus it's an awkward box, so you do not want to drop this. I went by myself and I struggled, but I got it in without dropping it. Now, easy to assemble within the included instructions. The instructions are very clear, but easy to assemble. It was a little harder than I thought it was going to be. We'll just put it that way. Now, I did not know it was a 2-year limited warranty. The lady at the store told me it was a 1-year limited warranty. So I paid $23 for that extended warranty I told you about. So basically, I paid $23 for a 1-year warranty. It already had a 2, and I paid for a 3. So basically, I paid for a 1-year warranty. If I knew it was a 2-year warranty, I would have never purchased it. So I highly recommend not getting the extended warranty. Just go with your 2-year limited warranty. That's plenty for an item of this expense. $54 for the tank. If you have an exchange tank, it's only $25. I told you briefly that I have a grill that I cook on, so I wanted another tank to have around the house. So my total out the door was $258.64. That was with the fire pit, the tank, and the warranty. All right, so I wanted to get to the couple negative reviews. Now, this had 4 stars on it on the website, but let's get to a couple of the negative reviews. I think it's always important to know what people disliked about the item. It says, I was so excited to finally have a patio for the family time. My first purchase was this fire pit. I was so disappointed to discover that it was already cracked. Now, if it was already cracked, then that's a dropped box. I mean, you could have that with anything. So honestly, that could happen with anything. Someone could have dropped this and it could have cracked. Then I noticed how the filler around the entire top, there is like almost like a caulking going around the top. Ours isn't perfect, but it's nice enough. So I get what they're talking about with that as well. Dry rotting had occurred. So it's possible, where was this thing stored, and when it dropped, it probably cracked that. And it says not at all what I expected, haven't even lit it for the first time. So honestly, guys, every now and then you might get that lemon that you're just going to get a bad product that maybe was dropped. Let's take a look at another review here that they left. Quality is very poor. The quality of this, it's good for the money that you're spending, in my opinion. Screws don't line up with threading. I 100% agree with this. I really struggled with the screws not lining up with the threading. So I am on board with this person saying this. Metal is off. I told you in the video that my one leg was off and I had to really force those screws in. I did not use a drill because I did not want to strip the screw. I just tightened those screws in as possible as I could get it. Top lid is crooked and does not see correctly. I did not have that problem. Mine was perfectly square. Assembly ended up taking 3 hours instead of simple 20 minutes. Now they say in the instructions it should say 30 minutes or less for assembly. I told you mine took about an hour because I did not have a person with a steady hand. I do want to take one more look at another negative review on this, 1 star. Guys, and these are all new. These are all new reviews on here. It says, I've never had more trouble with screws being threaded incorrectly in my life. How unbelievably frustrating. Once again, I could definitely relate to this. I told you, I was having major problems with those screws. They did not want to go in. They were not lining up. So that is definitely, but it got together. It got together, and once it's together, it's fine. So just be prepared to go through some, maybe a hard time putting this thing together. I would definitely have some people with some patience putting this thing together. All right, guys, so there you go. You got a little overview of the products. You got a little bit of background on what other people thought about the product. And you also got a little bit of the description and how much it was and the weight and everything to that nature. I hope this review on this product helped you guys make a decision whether you want to buy it or not. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you have brought this product and you've had problems with it or you guys like it as well. Like I said, we've been using this a lot. I love it. And once it's together and it's all said and done, it is a very nice thing to sit around on the back porch and enjoy some drinks. So if you guys like the review, guys, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave comments, and I'll see you guys next time. I hope everyone has a great day.